Hi, welcome back to Replacements Limited. Today I'm going to show you a really simple batch cocktail recipe that you can serve at your next cocktail party. Batch cocktails are great because they let you make drinks in batches, hence the name. You can serve several drinks at once and enjoy your party instead of being chained to the bar waiting on people as they ask for different items. So in this cocktail pitcher, I've got about 2 cups of vodka. I'm going to add a couple of jiggers of triple sec. To that, I'm going to add about half a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Got some ice in there already. Give that a mix. And I'm ready to pour. And that is the lemon drop martini. Perfect for any time of year. It's refreshing, not too sweet, and quite easy to make. I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.